Hello, students. So about today's homework, that is factoring trinomials. Trinomials are mainly once you come up this quadratic equation, which is in the form of px plus c. For now, most of the format you will be seeing where the value of a is not there, so you'll be having x squared plus bx squared plus c in this form. So let's look at this number two. So n squared plus 9n and plus 20. All right. So I'll show you in two methods. There is one is the box method that we see. So what it tells that a trinomial to factor a trinomial of the form above, you must find two integers that multiply to c. So comparing with the c is 20. So we'll have to find out two integers that will multiply with 20. Let's see what they are. So there could be integers that we can say like 1 into 20, 2 into 10, then 4 into 5, and that will reverse. Okay, so any of the two integers that we'll find. Then there another condition that add up to b. So what is our b? That is 9. Okay, so multiply with 20. Let me say multiply with 20 and add to 9. So see which one does it. Simply this does. Okay, so then I'll show you two methods. One is box method. In the box method, what we do is draw a box. Okay, and then write down these two n values in the corner. Okay, okay, then our job is to write this two, that you are splitting this middle term into two integers. Okay, let's what we said here, 4 and 5. Okay, we will add up to 9 and then multiply to 20 and the coefficient of that. Okay, so who are they? 4 and 5. So you write 4 and 5. Now you know that these are basically with the variable n, so we add n over there. Okay, then think from the row wise first. Okay, take a common greatest integer. Okay, so greatest common factor. So greatest common factor is over here is 1 and 5. So there is only one, no point of writing that. In n square n variable, you know the least possible value of that. So n is the greatest common factor. Okay, and then come to this over here, 4 and 20. You know 20 is divisible by 4, so 4 is the greatest common factor, and variable is only one n, so nothing else come over here. Okay, then think column wise from this end or that end, whatever, doesn't matter. Okay, so n square and 4n, again out of this n square and 4n, 4 and 1, really 1 is the GCF. So greatest common factor for these variables n square n, so least degree with n, so we have an n. Okay, and now match 4 and n multiplied gives you this 4n. Okay, n gives this n square, so you're right. Now come to this again. With 20 is divisible by 5, so since it's divisible by 5, so 5 is the only GCF because n there is no variable. Now we can check out 5 and 4 makes it 20, and 5 and n makes this 5n, so it matches, so you're fantastic. Now what are your factors? This is from this, so n plus 4 is 1, this plus no sign means, and n plus 5 is your factor. That's it. Now you can check it back by whether it gives you that. Okay, so distribution, n and n gives you n squared, n and 5 gives you 5n, 4 and n gives you 4n, and 4 multiplied with 5 gives you 20. So once you add this middle term, okay, this 9n and 20. There is another way of solving this, that is called grouping. You break this into this and then you make this two group. Okay, from this two binomial you work. We'll do it later if required. Okay, So these all the same thing. All right.